What happens when one of the world's largest aerospace companies violates export control? Airbus is known worldwide for innovation, but even global companies can make export control mistakes. Over the years, Airbus has faced investigations and enforcement actions linked to export compliance, licensing, and international regulation. The lesson isn't that Airbus had bad people. The lesson is that complexity creates risk. Large companies manage thousands of products, hundreds of suppliers, thousands of customers, dozens of jurisdictions. One correct product classification, one missing license, one overlooked restriction can have significant legal and financial consequences. That's why mature compliance programs don't rely on people remembering every rule. They rely on structured processes, governance, and continuous monitoring. So the bigger your organization becomes, the more important export control becomes. I'm Patrick Gergen, Compliance Checks, Intelligence Understands.